Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both ends ready. Make sure your Google Home Mini is powered and visible in the Google Home app. On your phone or tablet, open the Home app, select the Mini, and enter device settings to access Bluetooth pairing. Meanwhile, enable Bluetooth on your laptop and keep its Bluetooth settings page open so you can confirm devices. Once the Home app shows pairing mode, you're ready to move to the laptop and make the actual Bluetooth connection. On your laptop, scan for Bluetooth devices. You should see the Google Home Mini appear with the name you gave it. Select it and initiate pairing. You may need to confirm a prompt on the laptop and hear a sound from the Mini indicating connection. Once paired, immediately open your system sound settings and select the Google Home Mini as the default output device. This routes audio from apps and the system to the speaker. Now test with a short video or music clip to verify audio. To finalize, adjust volume on your laptop and the Google Home to reach the desired level. Sometimes you need both. Make sure your media app is using the system default output. If you hear nothing, reselect the Mini in sound settings or disconnect and pair again via the Home app. If problems persist, restart the laptop and Mini, update Bluetooth drivers, or as a last resort factory reset the Mini. Remember, repairing often fixes pairing conflicts and clears stale Bluetooth profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.